just a social reaction, it is a critical political signal. The language used by leadership ultimately shapes.
এই নতুন মঞ্চ কক্ৰোচ জনতা পাৰ্টি উত্থাপন কৰিছে এইখিনি বিষয় আমি আমাৰ ফলৰ পৰা বহুত আগৰ পৰা আমি কৈ আছিলোঁ।
रायजोफोर नै दा गोबां इन्डियायावनो आरोखि अल इन्डियायावनो कक्रोच जनता पार्टीनि दावराव। दा कक्रोच जनता पार्टीया मा रोखोम जाथाव दा गासै लाइमोनफोरखौ कक्रोच जनता पार्टीया फोजाखांदों। बेयाव बुंदों जाय कक्रोच जनता पार्टीखौ बोखांजेनदों बियो गासै जोंनि बेकार लाइमोनफोरनि थाखायसो, जायफ्रा साख्रि मावदों साख्रि मावनायफोर बै साख्रि मावनायफोरनि थाखाय नङा। बेकार लाइमोन जायफ्रा साख्रि मावाखै ओरैनो बेकाराव दं बैफोरनि थाखायसो कक्रोच जनता पार्टीयाव जइन। अब्ला बेसेबां गेदेर बे डाइरेक्ट बिजेपिनि दा एगेन्स्ट नामा? दा कक्रोच जनता पार्टीया कंग्रेसजों लोब्बा दं नामा? बेयाव आसामनि जे कंग्रेसनि आफादगिरि गौरव गगৈ साराबो बुंदों आरो नै दाख्लै MLA आव बिजेपिनिफ्राय केन्डिडेट गेलेनाय कुनकी चौधुरीयाबो बुंदों मा नोंथांमोनहा नायनानै ला ना। अब्ला मा जागोन? अब्ला गासै बियो बिजेपिया गिनाय दं नामा?
আজি নহয় বহুত আগৰ পৰাই আমি উত্থাপন কৰিছোঁ যে আজি বাক স্বাধীনতাই নাই। আজি কোনোবা সমালোচনা কৰিলে ফেচবুক একাউণ্ট টুইটাৰ একাউণ্ট ছাছপেণ্ড কৰা যায়, বন্ধ কৰা যায়, অলপ সুধিলেই জেললৈ পঠাই যায়, ধৰ্ণা কৰিলেই পুলিচ আহি যায়। যিখিনি বিষয় এই নতুন মঞ্চ কক্ৰোচ জনতা পাৰ্টি উত্থাপন কৰিছে এইখিনি বিষয় আমি আমাৰ ফলৰ পৰা বহুত আগৰ পৰা আমি কৈ আছিলোঁ যে লাহে লাহে বাক স্বাধীনতা হেৰাই গৈছে। প্ৰশ্ন কৰাৰ অধিকাৰ, সমালোচনা কৰাৰ অধিকাৰ আৰু চৰকাৰৰ দায়বদ্ধতা আমি যিদৰে চাবলৈ বিচাৰোঁ আমি বিচৰা নাই বা আমি দেখা পোৱা নাই। তো সেইকাৰণে যুৱকসকলৰ কিছু অংশ যুৱকসকলৰ ক্ষোভ এই ধৰণৰ সামাজিক মাধ্যম যোগেদি প্ৰকাশ পোৱা দেখা পাইছোঁ। আৰু দল বা সংগঠন হিচাপে সময় কমতে তেওঁলোকে আগন্তুক দিনত কিমান সফলতা।
Walking along the banks of the river Thames today reminds me of Dr. Bhupen Hazarika and his timeless anthem, Manu Hai Manohar Babe, and our very own mighty Brahmaputra. Though thousands of miles apart, the stories of these rivers remain profoundly the same. Tales of struggles, resilience, humanity and hope. Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, the bard of the Brahmaputra, rests woven into the history of these very waters. The immersion of his mortal ashes in the Thames beautifully symbolized his lifelong belief that humanity is bound by universal brotherhood that transcends borders. Yet, in our homeland where Manu Hai Manohar Babe echoes through our hills, valleys and plains, we recently witnessed a jarring controversy wherein remarks were made in public comparing unemployed youth to cockroaches, which sparked widespread outrage. This issue was never just about a single isolated statement. It was a stark reminder of the immense power of language in public life. Words spoken by leaders carry heavy emotional weight. Disrespectful language deeply wounds a generation already grappling with the crushing weight of unemployment, societal pressure, and an uncertain future. What followed was equally telling. Young people responded with sharp satire, memes, humor, and digital activism, even subverting the insult by reclaiming it through the idea of the Cockroach Janta Party. But beneath all of this lays a very serious and aching message, one of frustration, exclusion, inequality, and a growing sense of being ignored. And as a member of this younger generation, I believe this is more than just a social reaction. It is a critical political signal. The language used by leadership ultimately shapes whether citizens feel seen, valued, or completely dismissed. Young people today are not silent. We are expressive, digital, and deeply engaged. We just communicate through new mediums. And when the youth uses humor, memes, or satire, it is not a sign of indifference. It is active participation in the vocabulary of modern democracy. Leadership today must learn to listen to this vocabulary rather than dismissing it. This is precisely why Dr. Bhupen Hazarika's words remain so urgent even today. Manu Hai Manohar Babe is not just a song, it is a foundational reminder that no political system and no society is complete if it loses its empathy. Democracy at its core must hold space for every voice, especially the voices of the young and the unheard. Perhaps that is the ultimate lesson we must carry forward. Frustration must be heard, not dismissed. Expression must be protected, not silenced. Dissent must never be mistaken for division. And dignity, most importantly, must remain at the absolute center of public life. Because, in the end, the true strength of a democracy is not measured by how loudly power speaks, but how deeply it listens. Jai Hind, Joy Ayakha.